Hi, this is lesson 62, and we are going to dive into the practice set. The first thing they want us to do is simplify, which means rather than have these out, they want us to multiply and come up with an answer. I know, let's see, I hope my pen is going to be cooperative today. 2 times 3 is 6. I'm going to put that right up here. I'm going to move this right here. We know that that's 6. And I know that 6 times 4 is 24. For B, once more, I know that 3 times 4 is 12. And when I multiply it by 10, I just need to add a 0. So that's 12, and then I put the 0 on because we're multiplying by a multiple of 10. Our next one is 8 squared, which I know is 8 times 8. I know that, and that gives me 64. 3 cubed, which means 3 times 3 is 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Now, 10 squared minus 6 squared. So I know that this is 100, and I know that 6 times 6 is 36. So I'm going to say, let's see, 434. Is that correct? No, I don't feel like that's correct, guys. No, not 34. 64. Let me erase. Here we go. 100 minus 36 is going to give me 64. I felt like that was not right. Because, anyway, moving on. 3 squared is 9, and 2 cubed is 8. 2 to the third power. That gives me 1. Rewrite this expression using exponents. 4 to the third power, or 4 cubed if you would like. Write a formula for finding the area of a square. Then use the formula to find the area of a square with each side 6 inches long. So our area equals our side squared would be our formula. So to have the area for a cube or a square that's 6 inches long, we would have 6 squared, and that equals 36 inches, square inches. And there you have it, the practice set. If you messed up on any of these, please do a few more, and if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck on the homework.